Hi everyone, welcome to First Steps in Excel, your go-to place for learning Excel from scratch. I'm Wayne, I'm a software trainer with over 10 years of experience helping adults feel confident with tech. If you've ever opened Excel and thought, what is this grid of boxes? Don't worry, you are not alone and you're in the right place. Okay, so you've made it through the first 5 lessons. Honestly, amazing work so far. Now it's time to pull everything together into a mini project. Something real you can build, save and use. Let's go. We're going to build a simple monthly budget tracker. Okay, so by the end, you have typed data, formatted it, saved it, everything you've learned so far in the one place. Okay, if you open a new Excel file, in A1, type item. In B1, type cost. Then below, list 5 example expenses. This could be rent, phone bill, shopping, travel, Netflix. Then once you've done that, go through and add estimate costs in column B. This is the same process you learned in lesson 3, typing and editing cells. Now let's make it clean and professional. Let's bold the headers, fill the header row with a light color, add borders to the table, center align the headers, and finally increase the font size a little. Right, now it's time to save your work so it's not lost. So if you go to File, Save As, and then from here, let's save it to your desktop or an Excel folder, and let's name it My First Budget Tracker. Then once you've done that, close Excel, then go to your file and reopen it. Now, you've just practiced opening a save file. This was carried out in lesson 4. And that's it. You have created your first practical spreadsheet using everything you've learned so far. Okay, everybody, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a step. I will see you all in the next video.